Why does the technician mention contacting Free2Grow for recordings and demos to validate new technology for business process improvement? When evaluating a product for real-world use, start by defining the specific workflows you need to improve and map those to the demo features you must see. Ask for recordings that show end-to-end scenarios, including edge cases like failed transactions and user errors, so you can judge recovery flows and audit trails. Test scheduling functionality by requesting a live or recorded session where multiple roles interact at realistic times, so you can confirm queuing logic and notification timing. Verify data exports and reporting formats during the demo so you know whether you can ingest results into existing tools without manual rework. Confirm security controls and access levels by having the vendor show role-based session recordings and masking behaviors so you can assess compliance needs. Finally, request a trial or sandbox with sample data to replicate a few of your highest priority tasks and measure time saved and error reduction. Common issues include demos that gloss over error conditions, which leads to surprises in production, insist on recordings that capture faults, and ask the technician to run through recovery steps aloud so you can confirm behavior. Another frequent problem is optimistic scheduling demonstrations that do not reflect your peak load. Have the technician show recorded sessions from busy periods or simulate concurrent sessions in the sandbox to see how the system scales. The third concern is unclear integration paths. Request recorded examples of data being exported and imported into your actual accounting or customer relationship systems, and follow up by trying a small import yourself so you can confirm field mappings and data integrity. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors and see project discussions so they can learn what to expect before hiring. We help contractors find work by connecting them with active homeowners and a community where users and professionals share tips and example recordings and demos.